Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. And real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps our channel out. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 78. If we start with this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 9, and that means the only place the 1 can be in that box is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so 4, 9. 4 here, so 3, 4, 9. Sorry, that should be 2, 3, 9. And then we've got a 3 here, so 2, 4, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 6 here, so 7, 9. 6 and 7 here, so 5, 9. 7 here, so 5, 6, 9, and same here, 5, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so 6, 9. 6 here, so 3, 5, 9. 5, 6, and 9 here. So this is our 3. We can get rid of this 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 8. 3 here, 8 here, so 2, 5. 2 and 3 here, so 5, 8. 2, 3, and 8 here, so this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 8, 2, 3. And with that 2, we can get rid of this 2. And that means the only place the 2 can be in this box is here. And if we look at this row, the only place for a 5 is here. And now we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. Now that means the only place the 5 can be in this column is here. And the only place a 7 can be in this box is here. We look at this row now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 2. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here, a 5 here, so this is our 9. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 9. That 9 makes this our 6, 1. And that 9 makes this our 3, 9, 3, 9, 4. And the 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 3, 2. And for this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 9 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.